Okay, so we made it to the airport, which is good, right?
Yeah.
It's like so early, and I've basically slept only like 30 minutes. Yay. I'm pretty stoked, bro. This will be my first South Island trip. So we're heading to Queenstown now, and we're gonna try to do a scenic route, which we just saw on Google.
Quote unquote scenic.
Quote unquote scenic. What the?
Bro really timed it.
Wow,
Well, this is gas, so gas is always expensive.
yeah, I guess it's...
In 7.8 kilometers, turn left onto Henley Berwick Road.
Idiot. Dumbass. Sorry, now it's
I
bush.
can't like railway and stuff like that. You probably follow, you probably did.
It's our first stopover. It's around this area. I think it's a gold trail. We're just here just to stretch our legs, really. A lot of the trees, obviously, it's like winter, so a lot of the trees are somewhat dead. But this place is so cool. Like I guess we're aiming for places that aren't really that common in North Island. Because some of the roads I was like, oh, yeah, this is what I see in New Plymouth drives usually. But the mountains really get me. It's like so pretty. And it's so quiet and calm here as well. Wait, there's no mic now. Next up, we don't know. We're currently taking a stopover at Gore, which is the world capital of brown trout fishing. Okay, so we got fish and chip. It looks frozen. Hopefully it's not, but we'll see.
Maybe we should have gone with the...
Cheers.
Yeah.
Me.
So it's actually it's not bad.
No, maybe I dissed it too much.
It's actually pretty good. I'm here eating my chips, and my friend over there is successfully wooing deers.
Oh, there's more of them.
Oh my god, he's actually literally petting all the deers.
Literal wallet.
He has all the deers. I am here fattening myself up while this man is being like Snow White.
Is this like the...
We're seeing some mountains now.
Fuck, are we still on
So you can kind of see it from the distance, but we're still on the way. We're going to Devil's Footstep or Devil's Step? I don't know. Hi, this is Audio Rave, and holy shit, this was crazy. Hello, so now we're at Jack's Point. This is unreal. Like, look at that. That's like real. Like, and people live here, and there's a pharmacy here. Like, zoom in a little. I'm gonna show you. Like, what? What? There's the ice bar, and then there's this really cool gelato place right next to it as well, Anita. But yes, we're now in the gondola place. The mini golf is just right here, and there's also crepes and stuff. Oh my god. So I'm really tempted to go to the gelato place, but we should really try to go for the luge now, I think.
Are we looking
Yeah.
it up?
What?
We're luging it up.
So that's just
Skyline.
the pod, and there's the executive car pod
please.
behind.
Focus.
Wow.
Look at that. We're going up, guys.
Let me,
The car's right there.
Unfortunately, it's a bit rainy.
Or I don't know, actually there. That one. Wow. Ah. Do not focus on the tear, like the raindrops. Wow. Wow. Oh, there's a plane.
Polane.
Polane.
I mean, I guess
Wow.
no. If the cord ever
And it's
snaps,
still going up. Like.
Bad guy.
I got this.
Got the cutest gelato. Oh my god. So we've just finished doing the luge. It's now 6:11 and we're gonna try to find parking in town. And we're gonna try to go for Fergburger, cookie time. What's the sweet place? Remarkables. Remarkables and -1. Or -5? Okay. We're at the port at the moment and look at this place. There's this floating bar on a boat. Oh, across.
Yeah, he's repping WSP.
It's like
We got
lights.
the company swag.
Oh, it's so cute. The nightlife here is like way different from all the other New Plymouth, New Zealand cities that I've been to.
Every day is Firebolt Friday.
There's like so many things to do and I'm so stuck on what to do. So we're just about to go to the Remarkable Sweets and Gift Shop. Yay! I'm so excited. This is like one of the things I really wanted to do. I was very shy in the Remarkable shop, so most of my videos are just literally quiet videos, so enjoy. The chocolate stones.
You guys got a hole now.
I found some lucky dip bags, bro. Let's go.
Yeah.
We got Xavier show. Got a lot of stuff, like so much stuff. Like oh my god. Show. Actually no, we'll show it in the hotel. No. Yeah, we'll show it in the hotel. The unboxing.
Inside.
But yeah, I know I didn't want to record while I was there because I was just like so like focused, dialed in. We're just walking around at the moment still. Now going back to -5. But the thing is that we're finding, that my group is all finding, that there's so many options that it's so overwhelming that we can't pick any place. We're definitely going to the Fergburger, but tomorrow I don't even know where we're gonna get dinner. Fergbaker. We're in Ferg Bakery and we've got the Ferg pie. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. Fergburger is like, the line is wild, guys. Oh my days. Okay, so I lost audio in this part of the video, but we ended up going to -5, and sorry I keep messing up with -5 versus -1, but yes. And it was so cold, but the jackets that they give you was really good, and I ended up getting, so you, with the bundle that you get if you order from booking.com, I think you get a free drink, and I got the one with the Midori, which I highly recommend. I personally thought that was the best drink on the whole menu, and the staff, like the ones that were serving, was such a vibe, and they were all so accommodating. Here's my friends doing a little cheers. It was so fun. Sweet Bambi and the Chief Wiggum. So the pork belly one, and then the one with deer. Lost audio again, but those are the burgers, and then I'm about to show the onion rings. Not really showing the burgers properly, but there it is. The music was insanely loud, so I'm just gonna turn it down for quite a bit. To be honest, I'm so sorry if it's breaking your ears. just one more. Just one more. And this is me trying the Fergburger Deluxe, I think, from my friends, and it was so good. We're currently in Seattle, and look at the view, guys. It's so good. We just stopped over for a little bit, and we're gonna be heading to Milford Sound. Yay, yay.
You just know the air's about to smell so good out here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
In this clips of videos, it's just us saying whoa and seeing mountains all the time. So enjoy a lot of that. But oh my gosh, the views, the sights, unbelievable.
Okay.
No! It was such a struggle to record the mirror lakes, but it was best done portrait.
You guys see that little...
Head onto State Highway 94.
Fuck.
Oh my god. Our jaws were on the floor as soon as we saw the mountains and the waterfalls.
Bro, did it break it?
Oh my god,
Oh, there's another one! Oh no.
broke her jacket.
Fuck these guys. Nice. That's not one of my cruise controls.
Oh my god. Jesus. Jesus Christ.
Yo.
Whoa.
Oh, Kia.
Actually, damn.
Now this is when my dreams come. I have always wanted to be in a Milford Sound cruise. Oh my god. Not sponsored at all. Shout out to the Mitre Peak Milford Sound cruise. They were so great, and the guide was absolutely amazing. The sights were just to die for, and honestly I could die happy now. It's so good. And here's proof that my friend Kevin is one of the smartest people, because he brought cup noodles, and come on. And this is now us leaving Milford Sound, and it was just so sad, but I just had to record every single mountain that I saw and every single waterfall that I saw. What? It is this one. These stones. Another rock. Rainbow. White chocolate. I'm trying out this rainbow one.
This is tiny.
It's so fruity. Tried this one, it was so good.
-5, guys. That one, right? I think it is a little That's the milk tea.
Okay, so I'm trying out. Trying the chili chicken. Let's try pho. The pho's good.
I've been eating assorted kinds of bread and sauces all day, so
You just been having carbs all day.
good.
That's all you eat. I mean, to be honest, that's one thing I've been eating.
I'm good on my end.
I feel like it would be a good combo.
Fair. Pulled pork in there. Pulled beef, sorry. Yeah.
Kaya may mayok din naman.
Good memory. I like that too.
Cookie bar. I muted this audio because Jungkook I'd be scared of copyright, bro. Okay, cookie time. So, I was super hyped to go to this bar and try out their milkshakes and their cookies, but at the same time, I was like, I had gelato in my belly, I had that Saigon Kingdom, went to -5. A milkshake and a cookie is kind of tough to have at this moment in time, you know? But we powered through and bought a bunch. That s'more, and then we've got a hokey pokey with a cookie, got just like the chocolate cookie with the milkshake, and we got the socks because we paid, I think, more than $50. And I also bought this, like, I guess just a bunch of cookies, and that was really good. And also, again, I'm kind of going to mute this section because there's a lot of copyright music in the background, and yeah. The milkshake was so rich, to be honest. It was a bit too rich for me. You know, spoiler alert. I say thumbs up here, but like, gosh, you saw that tiny little sip. That was a burst of sweetness. The ice cream's good though. The hokey pokey ice cream with the cookie, not bad. Some of the cookies were a bit stale-ish already, but this s'more, the cookie was fresh as hell, and the the marshmallow was really good. So that was a banger. That was great. Oh yeah, boy.
That's kind of cool. They don't.
I'm not gonna lie, well, I still was guardrails.
We're now just headed back to Dunedin to catch our flight, and we had a slight stopover at some sites, and yeah, just took in a little bit of a breather at some points. And then we also saw the motorsport park as well. Now Xavier really liked this one, but also there was something that was just going on around the motorsport park. But before we get into that, this Vietnamese loaded fries, banger, and the hot chocolate too. But then there's this Lou with a view. Lou with a view. It was just everywhere on site. We're like, what the hell is this Lou with a view?
Stay checked. I'm gonna take a photo of it.
Come on.
Where's the toilet? Oh, that's the toilet.
So cool.
'Turn right onto State Highway 8. Signs for Alexandra, Dunedin.
Cook is there. And this is the end of my trip, unfortunately. I'll definitely be back. South Island was amazing, and next time it will definitely be longer than this weekend. Bye!